Differentiate the following with respect to x. A. Y is equal to sine of 3x. So we've got y is equal to sine 3x. With this type, the 3x we let be equal to u. So let u be equal to 3x. And if we differentiate that with respect to x, we get du by dx, which is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to sine of u, because we've let u be equal to 3x. Now, dy by dx by the chain rule is equal to dy by du times du by dx. So dy by dx is going to be equal to dy by u. Now the differential of sine u with cos u times du by dx, which is 3. And now because u was my invention, I now replace that back with the 3x. We get 3 cos 3x. If I have to differentiate something like y is equal to cos cubed x, then I need to think of it as y is equal to cos x cubed. Now, when we differentiate, we let u be equal to cos x, so we let u be equal to the bracket, and therefore dy by du, the differential of cos x is minus sine x. Y is equal to u cubed, because cos x is now u, and therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by du by dx by the chain rule. So dy by dx will be equal to 3u squared times du by dx, which is minus sine x. Now u was my invention, so I'll put it back. So it's u squared, so it becomes 3 cos squared x brackets minus sine x, and that minus sign now comes to the front, and we get minus 3 cos squared x sine x. Now, if we wanted to use a more direct method, then ddx of sine x, sine 3x, we would first have to differentiate 3x. If we differentiate 3x, we get 3, so it's equal to 3, and then differentiate sine to get cos, but we put cos of 3x. ddx of cos cubed x becomes ddx of cos x cubed. It's better to think of it like that. Now what you do is you bring down the 3, write down the bracket and reduce the power by 1, and then differentiate the bracket. You differentiate cos x, we get minus sine x, and therefore we end up with minus 3 cos squared x sine x, like we did before. If we take a more difficult example, differentiate sine to the power of 4 3x with respect to x, using the direct method. First of all, you should think of ddx of sine to the 4 3x as ddx of sine 3x to the power of 4. Write it like that. Now we bring down the 4, write down the same bracket again and reduce the power by 1, and then differentiate the bracket. So it becomes 4, writing down the bracket, sine 3x, reduce the power by 1 cubed, differentiating the bracket. If we differentiate sine, we get cos, but we have 3 cos 3x, we cos 3x, we have to put a 3 in front like we did up here. So we get 3 cos 3x. Now, 3 times 4 is 12, so the final answer will be 12 sine cubed 3x cos 3x.